Hello, hope you are doing well. I am Samuel. So in this video, I will show you how you will give me Facebook Business Manager access. So first of all, you have to go to your browser and you have to input business.facebook.com. Then you will enter this website and then you will get this interface. Okay, so if you do not get this interface, then let me know. I will show you how you will get this interface. And then what you have to do, you have to give me your Facebook Business Manager admin access. You have to go to this settings, business settings. So just click on business settings and then you will get this business settings interface. And now you will I'm already in people section. So if you go to another section, just go to user, then people section, and now click on add. Okay, so listen, this is my mail. Okay, so when you will give me Facebook Business Manager access, you will input this mail. Okay, so you will input this mail. Just click on add. I cannot use this mail right now because I already added with this mail. So you will type my mail, this mail here. So some people could not be added because I am already added with this mail. So but you will add this mail to give me access. Okay, so I am trying to give me access with another mail. So this will be, let's see. Okay, so if you want, you can give me access in this mail too, no problem. So then you will select admin access and then just click on next. Then you don't need to do anything here. But if you want to if you have multiple pages, then you can go to the classic page and then you will select here. But if you do not select, no problem, I will take the access, then no problem. Then you will directly click on an invite. So invitation sent. Then I will get the invitation and I will accept the invitation after when you will send me the invitation. The another problem you can face, that whenever you will go to the Facebook business.facebook.com, if you don't have Facebook Business Manager account, you may get this type of interface. Okay, so if you don't have business manager account, so you can let me know that you don't have business manager account. So yeah, in that case you can go to the create an account, then you can add your business name. So it can be like Samuel Ecom. So then this is my name, you will input your name, then you will input your business email address. So I am typing my email address like so. This is my email address. Whenever I will click on submit, it will create a new business manager account. Okay, so but I don't need a new business manager account, so I will not create this account now. So whenever you don't have any business manager account, you will create it from here. Okay, then you will follow the process and give me the business manager account. You may face another problem, that is you may when you will go to business.facebook.com, you may redirect to Facebook Meta. I'll show you. mm, you may be redirected to Meta Business Suite. So I will show you how you will come back to the business settings, the business manager interface. You may see this kind of interface whenever you will go to business.facebook.com. So what you will do is just click on help and switch to business manager. You will click on switch to business manager, click here and just switch. So then you will click on cancel. So you will get the business manager interface, what I was showing you earlier. So this is the business manager interface, and you can select your business manager, whatever you want to use or whatever you want to give me access. Okay, so thank you so much. So hope you will you can give me access right now. So if you face any problem, still if you face any problem, so you can just let me know. Okay, thank you.